Namaste and welcome to day 3 of your meditation emails. Today I thought we'd do a little recap on what we learned at the class. So a little bit about breathing to start with. Breathing affects our mental state. When we're excited or angry, our breathing becomes very shallow, and sometimes you can periodically stop breathing for, quite long periods of time when you're stressed. So just be aware of that next time. Holding your breath is not going to release tension. When our breathing is slow and deep, our minds are calmer and more relaxed. So complete yoga breathing will relax your body and calm your mind. And it also gives us more energy because most of the gas exchange takes place in the lower lungs. So when you breathe deeper into the lungs, more oxygen will enter the cells. Complete yoga breathing helps us to think more clearly, and you'll find that it does tend to clear away a little bit of that brain fog because our brain is actually starving for oxygen. Around about 25% of our oxygen intake is sent to the brain. So the more oxygen, the more our brain will also receive that oxygen. Complete yoga breathing assists our immune system. It tends to boost the immune system, and it also helps to lower our heart rate. I actually had a gentleman come to one of my meditation classes, and he took the meditation away with him and he practiced every day. And he emailed me after 2 months and said that his heart palpitations had virtually stopped. He was much calmer and more relaxed, and he said it had actually changed his life. He was having a lot of heart problems before he'd taken up meditation, and everything just settled down afterwards. But regular practice, once again. So a few tips here. Don't try to force the breath into your body. We want to just take the breath in slowly and deeply and just relax. Let it enter in a nice, relaxed manner. So the more you try to force the breath, the less relaxed you'll become. So with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, it will simultaneously bring us to a state of calm, yet very alert and focused. So this is why Nadi Shodhana is especially recommended as a pre-meditation technique, because if you're tired, it will wake you up. If you're stressed, it will relax you. So you'll find that you'll get a nice balance there, and it's considered to be the perfect prelude to meditation. And recapping mantra. What is a mantra? Man means mind, and tra means to draw away. A mantra is a spiritual sound that draws the mind away from troubles, worries, concerns, and fears, and it replaces them with peace, love, tolerance, compassion, and joy. A mantra takes us from the impermanent to the eternal. It is in this transcendental experience that we find relief from our worries, anxieties, and problems in life. So in the beginning, many of us are drawn to meditation to help us to find some calm in the chaos and to deal with experiences of anxiety and overwhelm. But there are so many other benefits to meditation that we will explore in future classes. Meditation brings clarity and focus to the mind. It increases creativity and problem-solving abilities. You'll find that if you practice meditation and breathing and you're getting more oxygen into your body, mind is calmer and focus is better, so you'll be able to deal with your problems much easier. So meditation also gives you insight, greater insight into your true self and your purpose in life. It awakens one to a higher state of awareness, perception, and realization. So we have a part 2 of this course. I'm not sure if you already know this. It's called Mantra Meditation and Self-Realization. So in this course we delve deeper into the spiritual aspects of meditation. So don't forget that the benefits of meditation will accumulate over time. Don't expect it to happen overnight. Try not to approach the practice with great expectations of having an inner peace experience. Some days you'll find that your meditation attempts will be much more challenging than others. Some days you'll find that you can practice really well and focused, and you feel really in tune when you meditate. So it's going to be, our journey is going to be like this. So relax, dial back the expectations, and persevere. Perseverance is a very important part of meditation. So even when you don't feel like it's working, it is still going to have this cumulative effect that will become apparent to you over time. And of course, it will become apparent to those around you. I have a lot of people coming, and if they stop coming for a while, their partners or their family members say, "Why aren't you going to meditation?" You need to go back, because they're feeling that person is not nearly as relaxed, they're more stressed, and they're much more pleasant to be around when they're practicing their meditation regularly. So if that's not inspiration, I don't know what is. I hope you continue to keep practicing, and we'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.